The Energy Regulatory Commission, or ERC, says removing all systems loss charges from electric bills may not be feasible, as some costs are inherent in power distribution. The position drew questions from lawmakers as the House continues to examine whether consumers should keep paying such charges amid calls for lower electricity rates. IBC News correspondent Earl Tobias has the report.
The Energy Regulatory Commission maintains that not all systems loss charges should be removed from electricity bills. The ERC explained that technical systems loss is a normal part of generating and delivering electricity, and that this cost is unavoidable. But if systems loss charges must be really eliminated, the Commission said it should only apply to non-technical systems losses caused by power theft, defective meters, and other irregularities.
The reason why itong system loss ay napapansin natin kasi it appears as a separate line item in our bill now, system loss charge. But before EPIRA, yan pong system loss na yan ay nire-recover na. At ito po kasi ay talagang kasama doon sa generation cost that is incurred by our distribution utilities.
Former Bayan Muna Representative Attorney Nery Colmenares disagreed, arguing that neither the EPIRA law nor any other law specifically authorizes the collection of systems loss charges, more so the imposition of value-added tax on them. This sparked questions from lawmakers.
Mr. Chair, wala talagang batas na nagsasabi ng technical system loss. Kahit halongkatin natin yan.
DRC reiterated that removing technical systems loss charges all at once is not practical. Instead, it can only study how much the charge can be reduced without affecting the operations of distribution utilities. The Department of Energy added that reducing losses caused by power theft and meter tampering would require major investments to improve the power distribution system.
How much are we willing to spend para mabawasan siya? Baka naman sobra yung gastos natin. Tapos dadagdagan lang yung contribution ng mga kababayan natin sa distribution charges.
To address these issues, Energy Secretary Sharon Garin said a technical working group has already been formed. Meanwhile, House Energy Committee Chairperson Jose Alvarez has directed electric cooperatives to prepare plans on how they can operate with less dependence on systems loss charges. Earl Tobias, IBC News.